Hello everyone, my name is Swati Vakode and today I will be presenting my Module 2 article Analysis for Information Systems for Managers. This presentation focuses on digital privacy, cybersecurity, compliance and IT governance. I will be discussing a recent article that examines a proposed European Union regulation and its implications for privacy, security, and trust in modern information systems. Moving to the slide 2, article overview. So the article is titled "The EU wants to scan every message sent in Europe. Will that really make us safer?" And was written by Apostolis Fotiadis for the Guardian in January 2025. The article focuses on proposed EU policy that will require all digital messages sent in Europe to be scanned. The core areas discussed include digital privacy, cybersecurity risks, regulatory compliance, and IT governance, all of which strongly aligns with Model 2 concepts. So moving to the slide 3, purpose of the article. So the purpose of the article is to analyze a draft EU regulation that will mandate the scanning of all digital communications, including private and encrypted messages. The stated goal of this proposal is to improve online safety by detecting and preventing the spread of illegal content, especially child sexual abuse material. However, the article challenges the assumption that widespread surveillance automatically leads to greater security and asks whether it may instead create new risks. Moving to the slide 4, key issues raised. So the article raises three major issues. First, it highlights the mandatory scanning of all messages, meaning no communications will be exempt, including personal or business messages. Second, it discusses how this requirement could weaken end-to-end encryptions, which currently protect sensitive data. And finally, it emphasizes the ongoing tensions between privacy and security, showing how increased surveillance can come at the cost of individual privacy rights. Moving to the slide 5, article summary. So the regulations is presented as a child protection measures aimed at creating safe online environments. However, the privacy advocates argue that the proposal effectively build a system of mass surveillance with the potential for misuse beyond its original purpose. Cybersecurity experts also warns that the weakening encryption could backfire by introducing vulnerabilities that hackers and malicious actors could exploit, ultimately reducing overall security. Moving to the slide 6, IT governance implications. So IT governance implications. From an IT governance perspective, this proposal shows how government regulations can directly shape enterprises' IT strategies. Organizations may be forced to redesign secure communication systems to comply with new rules. Even if those changes conflict with their security policies, IT leaders must make ethical risk-based decision that balance compliance, security, and user trust. Moving to the slide 7, which is data governance challenges. So the mandatory message scanning will significantly increase the volume of sensitive data being collected and processed. This creates higher risk of false positives, algorithmic bias, unauthorized access, and data breaches. Uh, Strong data governance practices such as clear data ownerships, access control, and encryptions becomes essential to protect this information and maintain data quality. Moving to the slide 7, regulatory compliance dilemma. So the article highlights a serious regulatory conflict. On one hand, organizations may be required to comply with message scanning laws. On the other, they must still follow GDPR, which emphasizes data minimizations and privacy protection. This creates competing legal obligations, and managers must understand these risks. Especially since GDPR penalties can reach up to 20 million euro or 4% of global revenue. Moving to the slide 9, cybersecurity and digital privacy risks. So, weakening encryptions expands the attack surface of digital systems, making them more vulnerable to cyber attacks. Surveillance infrastructure could be exploited by hackers, criminal groups, or even insider threats. Over time, this could erode users' trust in digital platforms and push users toward unregulated or less secure alternatives, further increase risks. Moving to the slide 10, up to the conclusion. So, in conclusion, while protecting children online is a critical and necessary goal, mass message scanning may unintentionally weaken cybersecurity and undermine digital privacy. The article demonstrates the complexity of balancing security, compliance, and trust. For IT managers, the key takeaway is that effective ID governance requires carefully weighing competing priorities without compromising fundamental rights or long-term security. Thank you.